Alright guys, we are in Google search, and as you can see I'm going to type in YouTube Studio because we want to check out our analytics. As we said, this video is about how to read your analytics and how to understand your YouTube Studio dashboard. So we'll click on that. And for purposes of learning, I'm going to be checking out both my channels. So as we go in, alright, so this is my YouTube Newbies. You can see here YouTube Newbies channel. This is the channel dashboard. So when you're wanting to find out about your YouTube, you're going to be checking out this channel. So this is the dashboard. What you will see is your latest video performance. Now, this video was then, of course, published 2 days and 19 hours ago. I have 25 views. My impressions click through. Now, obviously, when you listen to other creators, they're talking about this impressions click through. This is a very good one, but again, it's a new video, so we expect the impressions click through to be quite high. Average view duration. These are the 3 things that YouTube is looking for when they recommend in the video. Average, how long did the people stay watching your video? And of course, when they saw your thumbnail, how many times did they click through? Now, next to this, we have the channel analytics. This is the important part. This is in the last 28 days, I have reached the 100 subscribers. And guys, I got this by just letting my people, my friends, my family, and people I know about the channel and ask them to sign up. Then, of course, the views that we've had is 103 views. And, of course, we have a total of 7 watch hours. Now, remember that you need 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers in order to get monetized or to get your channel monetized on YouTube. Now, I only have the top videos here is, of course, things to note before starting your YouTube channel. I had 10 views there. And, of course, this is in the last 48 hours. So you're going to check your top videos and what are those top videos in the past 48 hours. And, of course, my secret 1,000 views in the past have only got 2. But, again, this is a brand spanking new channel. These are the latest comments. We'll talk about comments now. This is the news that YouTube sends to you. So for this specific channel, it says, see your YouTube account. So I can try it out. If I go click on that, it's going to take me to my YouTube subscribe account. And it'll tell me what's happening. While that one is loading, let's go back here. This is ideas on getting started. You can go in. So YouTube is constantly trying to teach us about how to be better and how discovery works. And then you can go ahead and watch the channels there. So this is everything on the right side is YouTube showing us what to do. Right, so that's your channel dashboard. So if you have a picture, your picture will go in here. You can change it there as you wish. Your channel name there. So mine is YouTube Newbies. Now, the next button is content. Now we press on the content button and you can see I have published 3 videos, and the first video being on the 2nd of June, I have 60 views, 6 comments and 5 likes. The second one I had put through on the 9th, which is about 5 or 6 days. I'm going to try and put a video out at least every 5 or 6 days, or at least once a week on this channel, because it's literally for you guys that are new and want to understand. And then of course there is my 25 views, 10, and this one I published 2 days ago. Alright, so this is going to give you all of that information. We look at playlists. Playlists are what you made when you upload. I'll show you how to upload and do that. So you put your videos into playlists and you organize them and name them so that when you have enough videos, people can actually click on a playlist and watch. This is the important one, analytics. Now, a lot of times you'll hear the big YouTubers talk about analytics. This is your channel analytics. So you have the overview. So my channel got 103 views in the past 28 days. Of that, I've got 7,000 watch hours and I have 100 subscribers. Now, you can see this was video 1, 10 views, 10 views, then it went up to 12, came down to 5, and then I posted the new video, which got 6 views, 6 views and no views, 5 views, no views, and then new video published, and then it went up again here to 30 views. All right, so this will show you your view count and how many videos you published and on what days you published them. To the right, you have real-time views. Who's watching your video in real time? So this is the past 48 hours. You can see I've had 15 views on my 3 videos. Again, here is your latest videos. This is going to show you your videos, your top 3, but like I have 3, so it will show me my views, impressions, click through, and of course my average view duration. I'm very happy with these because this is showing me that people are watching and they're watching for a long period of time, and my thumbnails are getting good click-through rates, and this is very important if you want to grow your channel on YouTube. We look at the next one. This got 17 views, 6.9% click rate, but they've watched 9 minutes of my video. So even though I have very few views, they've watched a lot of minutes of this views. And the last video that I have on this channel, I have 60 views on my how to get 1,000 subscribers. Again, a beautiful click-through rate, average view duration a little low. Again, you're not going to get the same view duration with all your videos. All right, so we're looking at reach. These are the analytics you need to look at. Again, impressions. Now, we often heard the YouTube creators talk about impressions. These are how many people saw my thumbnail, whether it was on the different pages of search or whatever. There is my overall channel click-through rate, which is really good. Now it's a new channel, so this is excellent. We have 103 views and of course 30 unique viewers. Again, it shows you the viewer counts and things here. All right, let's go to engagement. We have watch hours 7, and the overall views on all my videos, my view duration is 4 minutes and 4 seconds, which is pretty good. My top videos from top to bottom, the top videos by end screen. So obviously when they're watching these videos, the end screens, there's this one. And of course, there's nothing to show because it's fairly new. Now, comments is something that you need to look at regularly, because should people give you comments, you can go in from here. Like the J Love Toy Review says, great video. I can say, glad you enjoyed it. Sometimes they will give you a response, and sometimes you have to type it yourself. Okay, there's another one that says, thanks for sharing the info. I'll say my pleasure and pop that through there. Don't worry about subtitles. Don't worry about these two. You will worry about when you get monetized. This is monetization. When you're ready, it will say, yeah, you can see this is my new channel. It says you are not eligible for monetization. As soon as they will, it'll tell you what to do. All right, customization. Remember, we were talking about channel banners, etc. This is my layout. So I can make a channel trailer and add it right here. The featured video, when they click onto my channel, they will see this video first. Things to consider before you start your YouTube channel. If I had any short videos, they would be under this category. And of course, the 3 uploads that I've done in the past week and a half. The audio library is something, if you want to add music to your videos once you've uploaded, you can go into audio library. And of course, as you can see, it'll bring up all different kinds of music that you can use. So when you do get monetized, you don't get a copyright strike. And again, that you will worry about later. Let's talk about settings, because this is something important. Yeah, from South Africa, so I will change this now to USA. So obviously to RSA, and your channel. Obviously, it will show your basic in your country of content will be South Africa. So I'll go down and find my country here, and I'll put South Africa. And I will, if I want to add keywords to my channel, I can add them here. So I'm a YouTube newbies. So I will say, channel for YouTube newbies. All you need to know. And that will come up into comma separated values. Okay, and save that. All right, permissions, guys, is when you want somebody to help you on your channel. At this point, there's no reason for that. Now, if there's any issues or you want to send an email to you can then write your email and send it through to YouTube. Yeah, so you will use that feedback. I'm going to cancel because I don't have anything. So guys, that's basically understanding YouTube Studio and some of the analytics of your channel. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, go ahead, like and subscribe, and let me have your thoughts. Have fun, guys. Don't forget to check out my other videos on what to do to get started, and of course how to get your first 1,000 subscribers, and go ahead and watch that now.